Money has always been emotional, but in 2026 it has become psychological. People are no longer confused because investing is hard. They are confused because there's too much noise, too many opinions, and too many shortcuts being sold as guarantees. Every beginner enters the investment world with the same question in mind. Where do I start so that I don't lose my money and still grow it over time? The truth is, successful investing in 2026 is not about finding the smartest strategy. It is about following the simplest strategies with discipline, patience, and clarity. Most beginners fail not because markets are risky, but because they expect fast results. They chase trends, panic during crashes, and jump from one idea to another without a plan. The first thing every beginner must understand is that investing is not gambling. Gambling depends on luck. Investing depends on probabilities, systems, and long-term behavior. The moment you stop trying to beat the market and start trying to participate in it consistently, your chances of success increase dramatically. One of the most powerful strategies for beginners in 2026 is starting early and staying invested. Time in the market matters far more than timing the market. Many beginners waste years waiting for the perfect moment. They wait for a crash. They wait for confirmation. They wait for confidence. But the market does not reward waiting. It rewards participation. Even small, regular investments made consistently can outperform large, irregular investments made emotionally. This is why systematic investing works so well for beginners. When you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, you remove emotions from the process. You buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high without even trying. This simple approach protects beginners from their own fear and greed. Another key strategy in 2026 is diversification. Beginners often make the mistake of putting all their money into one stock, one sector, or one idea. Diversification is not about maximizing returns. It is about minimizing regret. When your investments are spread across different assets, industries, and geographies, no single mistake can destroy your future. This doesn't mean owning everything. It means owning enough to survive uncertainty. Beginners should focus on broad market exposure instead of individual stock picking. Index-based investing allows you to grow with the economy instead of betting on individual winners. You don't need to predict which company will dominate in 10 years. You just need to believe that the world will continue to grow and innovate. This philosophy has been repeated for decades by long-term investors like Warren Buffett, who consistently emphasizes patience, simplicity, and staying invested. Another critical strategy for beginners in 2026 is understanding risk properly. Risk is not volatility. Risk is the chance of permanent loss of capital. Short-term price fluctuations are normal. They are the cost of long-term growth. Beginners often panic when markets go down because they confuse volatility with failure. But volatility is not your enemy. Your reaction to volatility is, if you invest money that you don't need immediately, short-term market movements become irrelevant. This brings us to an essential rule. Never invest money you might need in the short term. Emergency funds are not investments. They are protection. Before beginners even think about investing, they must secure basic financial stability. No high-return strategy can compensate for poor cash flow management. In 2026, another powerful strategy for beginners is goal-based investing. Investing without a goal is like driving without a destination. Different goals require different strategies. Money for retirement should be invested differently than money for a house or education. When beginners align investments with timelines, decision-making becomes much easier. Long-term goals can tolerate higher risk. Short-term goals need safety and liquidity. This clarity prevents emotional decisions during market swings. Technology has also changed how beginners invest in 2026. Access to information is easier than ever, but so is misinformation. The smartest beginners are not the ones consuming the most content. They are the ones filtering it effectively. Instead of following influencers, beginners should follow principles. Principles don't change with trends. One of those principles is cost control. High fees silently eat long-term returns. A difference of even 1% in annual costs can reduce final wealth significantly over decades. Beginners should always be aware of what they are paying and why. Low-cost investing is not about being cheap. It's about being efficient. Another important strategy is consistency over intensity. Investing aggressively for a short period and then stopping rarely works. Small, regular contributions made over many years outperform sporadic, large investments. This approach also builds a powerful habit. Investing becomes automatic instead of stressful. Beginners should aim to automate their investments as much as possible. Automation removes hesitation. It removes excuses. In 2026, ignoring behavioral psychology is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Markets move based on human emotions more than logic. Fear and greed drive prices far more than fundamentals in the short term. Understanding this helps beginners stay calm when others panic and remain cautious when others become euphoric. Long-term investing is often about doing nothing when everyone else is doing something. Another strategy beginners should adopt is continuous learning without overreacting. Learning helps you stay confident. Overreacting destroys discipline. You don't need to act on every new piece of information. You just need to ensure your strategy remains aligned with your goals. Beginners in 2026 should also understand that investing success is not linear. There will be years of great returns and years of disappointing performance. Judging a strategy based on short-term results is one of the biggest mistakes. Long-term success is built by surviving bad years, not by maximizing good ones. One underrated strategy is focusing on savings rate before returns. You cannot out-invest a low savings rate. Beginners who save consistently, even with modest returns, often outperform those who chase high returns without discipline. Control what you can control. Savings rate, consistency, costs, and behavior matter far more than predictions. Another important shift in 2026 is realistic expectations. Social media has distorted perceptions of investing. Most real wealth is built slowly, quietly, and boringly. If a strategy promises fast, guaranteed, or effortless returns, it is likely selling hope, not value. Beginners should always ask one question: is this strategy sustainable over decades? If the answer is no, it probably won't work long term. Diversifying across asset classes is also becoming more relevant. Stocks alone are powerful, but combining them with other assets can improve stability. The goal is not to eliminate risk, but to manage it intelligently. Beginners should also rebalance periodically. Over time, some investments grow faster than others. Rebalancing helps maintain your intended risk level without emotional decision-making. In 2026, patience is still the most underappreciated investment strategy. Technology may evolve. Markets may change. But human psychology remains the same. Those who can stay calm, consistent, and disciplined continue to win. Beginners should remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need to run fast. You just need to keep moving. The best strategy is the one you can stick with during both good and bad times. Complex strategies fail not because they are wrong, but because they are hard to follow consistently. Simple strategies work because they are sustainable. If you are a beginner in 2026, your biggest advantage is time. Use it wisely. Start early. Stay consistent. Keep learning. Avoid emotional decisions. Let compounding do the heavy lifting. If this video helped you understand investing more clearly, make sure to like it to support the channel. Subscribe for more videos on money, mindset, and the future. And share this with someone who is still waiting for the perfect time to start investing. Because the best investment strategy always begins with one decision. Starting today,